We're back with Bluebell Dewdrop. So now, let's begin. Oopsies. Bluebell Dewdrop bloomed on May 1st. Bloomed from a bluebell flower. Personality: she likes finding fun places to hide. Her favorite things to do is ring a little bell to let all of her friends know where she is. So now, she's 4 of Series 13. So now we're going to open the package. Could I do this part? Now we opened it from the package. So now let's begin. So she has the same butterfly, but it looks like it's like a thing, but it's not like a butterfly. It's like a dragonfly. And now we got, I don't know what this is. I think it's a wand or a flower, but it's heart. It's a star with a bow on it. Then she got a little teacup, and that pours in her little cup. So here's the cup. It's blue, and it has like little decorations on it. So now I'll start with the girl. Oops. So the girl has pink or purplish hair. I don't know. Here she has. I think it's pink. No, purple. It's purple, guys. And then she got the little hat, like a bluebell. And a dress I love. Her shoes are like elf shoes. Now let's put her in a little box. It's a music bell, guys. Put her in the box where the other person is. Whee!